Alright, this is going to be try number 3. My video keeps locking up, so hopefully it won't lock up again. But we are here trying to do a scientific experiment with Dr. Brianna Hardy. This is the result of our last one. And here's Professor Mr. Hauser here to assist. So we're going to go quick
be with us today
because my videos are freezing. But we saw this experiment on Facebook. My friend shared it, and so we're giving it a try. We did it. We mixed 2 colors. The first time, blue and yellow, I think it was. Yep. And so you just add oil to this glass.
There you go. Try that. There's our oil. Now we're going to add some H2O.
Go ahead and start dumping it.
We'll let you know when to stop. Keep on going. Okay. Now add some more oil. Put the oil like up to here. So we can put on a good show. Keep on going.
I do a little bit more water. Oh, look at how it separates. That looks kind of cool, huh?
Okay, a little more water.
And then add your color. What color are you going to do this time?
I'm going to do red and blue first, and then I'm going to add some green. I want to see if it's going to do green and purple, or if it's going to be whatever color they make.
Alright, start dropping. Do like 10.
Move it around.
Do a bunch. How many did you do?
7 or 8, I think.
Okay. And now you're going to do blue? Mm-hmm. This is like a science experiment for making a lava lamp.
There you go. There's your lava lamp.
Ooh, it's fascinating. Alright, and then we take Alka-Seltzer, drop it in, and watch. Ooh, look at how it did the 2 different colors.
That was kind of cool.
That
comes out purple.
Super cool. You know what it reminds me of? The genie in Aladdin when he's coming out. The genie of the lamp.
It looks like a mega storm. Wow, that was cool. You can see red and purple and even blue still. That one looked orange almost.
That's crazy.
Mommy, if you take it up above.
Wonder what happened if you drop this in there and put your hand over it.
You want to put another one in there quick?
Let me put my hand over it?
If you want to.
Hoping my hand doesn't blow up. Don't get your face too close.
You want things to blow up. We're not.
Well, I know, but not in your face.
That is so cool.
If you look down here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at my hand.
Ew. What if you pour another color in there?
I was planning on doing green.
Alright. You might need another Alka-Seltzer.
That one's going a while.
That
Drop
is.
it in.
Drop in your green.
See what happens here.
Oh, you can already see it. You need another Alka-Seltzer? Homeschool science project this week. Homemade lava lamp.
It was like bluish over here.
Want to turn the glass around?
So what's the reaction? What's making it react?
Alka-Seltzer.
I know,
Ooh, that looks super cool on this.
But what in the Alka-Seltzer?
I don't know. We'll have to look it up.
Sodium bicarbonate?
You used that on the package, didn't you?
Well, yeah, but that's what's making the reaction. It's the sodium bicarbonate.
It's like blue.
Mixing with water. Anything like if you gave one to a seagull and it mixed with water in its belly, the seagull would blow up.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Can we get a seagull?
No.
Hey, it'd be cool to see one blow up.
Actually, I think
Nobody on
seagulls are federally
Facebook,
protected.
we're going to bleep that statement out. You did not hear my child say that it would be cool to see a seagull blow up.
It would.
I think it's a federal crime.
Yeah. Do not do that at the beach, friends. Just do these at your kitchen table with no animals. No animals present. All right, cool
Y'all are
experiment. That was kind of fun. Now, you go do the experiment, and then let's see what you come up with. Thanks for watching.